Unlocking the mystery of in a list in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the phrase, in a list. Whether you're a beginner or advancing in English, understanding these common phrases can make a big difference in your communication skills. Let's explore in a list together. In a list is a phrase used to indicate that items, ideas, or elements are presented in a sequential or organized manner. This is often used in writing and speaking to describe how information is arranged. For instance, the groceries are written in a list, implies that the groceries are noted down one after another, typically in a bullet or numbered format. This section covers examples to show how in a list is used in different contexts. 1. Writing and reading. Please ensure all the ingredients are included in a list at the beginning of the recipe. 2. Instructions and directions. The safety procedures are given in a list on the poster. 3. Everyday conversation. I have my weekend tasks organized in a list on my phone. Here we explore synonyms or variations of in a list, which can be used interchangeably. In sequence, in order, itemized, enumerated. For example, the rules are itemized in the handbook, conveys a similar meaning to the rules are in a list in the handbook. Do not confuse in a list with on a list. In a list focuses on the format of presentation, while on a list emphasizes being part of the list. Avoid overusing in a list in situations where the information isn't actually organized sequentially. Thank you for watching. Understanding simple phrases like in a list can greatly enhance your clarity and effectiveness in English communication. Keep practicing, and you'll master these nuances in no time. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.